This is the new horse. Brand new truck. Got it in, just gonna take it out tomorrow morning and give her its maiden run. Nice and shiny, brand new. Everything. Beautiful truck. Release the beast. This is our new truck. This is 6,000 gallons. Just got it. Every day. This is the first morning of using it. It is a pumping machine. We got another new blower on it. Hopefully it's pumping about 22 pounds. Hopefully get that up to 30 maybe. Brand new fittings, water heated valves, best valves you can put on a truck. Unbelievable. Using a 4-inch hose as far as we can. We got a bunch of sections of that and then finish it off with 3. But what's this stuff on the ground? Holy smokes, we had green grass a week ago. This is stupid. Unbelievable. We were hard at it again this morning. Several loads to do. Kind of blocking traffic here, but hey, we're here early enough that should be good. I heard a vibration. This is our newest tanker. We got 3 of these now. Unbelievable. 30 years ago, I started out with a little 900-gallon truck. 30 years ago, 33 years ago. 900 gallons. Now we got 3 trucks that hold 5. We got a 45. We got 2 3s. We can go out and do some serious pumping with 6 trucks now. And it's just amazing what God has blessed us with over the years, and a true blessing from God. And I give all the glory to God for everything we've ever done. We've been so fortunate and everything, and so blessed in all we're doing with Sweet Honey. And I know it's going to keep growing. We just got to focus that the main focus for all of our guys is the good Lord. How He's blessed us, and the work He gives us, and all these grease traps and everything. It's just amazing. Just amazing grace He's shown us, and the love. And all our guys are focused on serving people, and it's what we do at Sweet Honey. But I still hate this snow. There's nothing worse. It's pretty if you don't have to work. It's real pretty. But to lay out this much hose, I mean, we got probably, I don't know, 5, 6 lengths here. At least 5 lengths. And again, to haul this, pull this through the snow, we got good 6,000 gallons back here today to do. And we're getting this pumped down. We got 3 guys here, plus myself, and we Might have the other crew show up yet, but we need to get this all pumped out of here. This is one of our longer pumps. You can see the distance here. That's a good 5-6 lengths, so it's 250 feet, I suppose, because each one of our sections are at least 30 feet long. But there's our other 45. We got a load on it. These guys have already made 2 trips to the dump, so they've already dumped 10,000, probably 15,000 gallons they've already dumped since 2:30 this morning. So, you know, we don't mess around. We know what we're doing. We've been at it 30 years, and Grant's been with us and just driving this new truck. He's been with us almost 10 years, and I told him the other day, I says, if you work for us 10 years, you'll get a new truck. And it worked out. So I suppose all the rest of the guys now, if they work for us for 10 years, expect a brand new truck, huh? Well, this is pretty stuff right here, isn't it? Snow on these trees, these blue spruce. Wow, just beautiful, but you gotta work in this stuff. But it is pretty. I'll have to say, it's a pretty scene. But I hate working in this stuff. Hope it melts and everything, so. These guys are getting this cleaned and stirring it up and getting this sucker pumped down. I'm gonna go see how much we got on this truck already. We'll see what's on here. See how fast this thing is pumping. I'd like to see us pull about 30 pounds. I know our 45 pulls 40 or 30 pounds of vac. We've got what, 1,300 gallons on there already. We've been pumping what? I don't know, 5 minutes. So that's what I'm looking at as far as the truck pumping. That's what we want to see. 28 to 30 pounds. Fantastic. This is our newest workhorse, and it'll just be amazing what we can do with 3 of these semis in a morning's time. It's fantastic. And there he goes. We're gonna go to the dump right away or not?